So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, it's been so long that I've vlogged, but this moment requires vlogging because my owner chugged me and my flatmate out, and he didn't even give 1 month ka notice. He gave around 20 days ka notice. That's also very less. And now it's 21st, 20th, and look at my room. Bro, I'm shifting, and this is how everything looks. Our owner gave so much beating. Like, he's such a bad owner. That's a story for another story time, so please stay here. And I'll take you guys along how I pack and how I shift stuff. And then we might go house hunting also, so God help me. So guys, I'm packing my memory box, and it's like every time I see a picture, it is taking me back to that moment. And do you guys also feel that when you're staying somewhere, you feel कि जब पैक करोगे तो इतना सामान नहीं होगा because it's right there, ये है बस ये है, ये पैक करना है. But bro, now that I've started to pack, like I've packed most of it, and I'm left with some utensils, containers, blanket, pillow, बहुत basic things. And now it feels like कि bro मेरे पास कितना सामान है. When will this get over? And I still haven't got the leader flag, and I probably will shift in July. So बहुत BT, and I took a off today from my work, so that means I have to complete my entire packing today so that I can work tomorrow, and on 22nd I can send my stuff to my friend's place. I hope everything goes as planned, because apparently I had to shift on 28th. ठीक है, तो मेरा सारा वैसे हुआ था थॉट प्रोसेस कि आई विल शिफ्ट ऑन 28th. तो मैंने कुछ पैक नहीं किया था. तो कल मैं रात को वॉक करने गई थी, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी दैट आई हैव टू शिफ्ट ऑन 21st. कुछ भी हो जाए. एंड माई ओनर, ओके, अगेन different story for different time, but very good story, very bad, you should hear it. उसके बाद then I was like fuck it, मेरे को पैक करना पड़ेगा. So I went out to the kirana stores and then got. So then what happened, so now when you buy or when you rent furniture from Furlenco, and when you terminate your subscription, they give you a pickup date that your whole मतलब जितना भी furniture you've got, that will be picked up on so and so date. So they gave me 27th May as the date, and as we speak today is 20th May. तो मैंने कहा, and I booked it on 17th, कुछ ऐसे dates पे, ठीक है. But my owner was like, I don't care तुम्हारा क्या फर्लेंको का सीन है, I will just put your सारा throw your furniture on the road. He said this. He's like, I don't care, remove everything and this. So I was like, fuck, now what should I do? Then I fatafat mailed the Furlenco customer care. I said I need to arrange the pickup at the earliest. So then I made my dad talk, and the owner is not some old person. He's 27 or 28. Then what happened? And bro, he had an issue with guys coming over, girls coming over. Girls can't stay the night, and he said if your girlfriends are staying the night, they can only stay for a night or two. That I'll tell you what he used to do with that. So then I made my dad call him, and he's like, ये छोटी छोटी issues में तो मुझे बोलती रहती है इधर, भाई उसका शार खराब हो रहा है. मैं बता रही हूँ कि शार खराब हो रहा है आपका, क्योंकि और कौन बताएगा एंड और कौन रिपेयर कराएगा. ब्रो मेरे को नहाना है, मुझे शार ठीक चाहिए. So guys, I am going to give you the empty house tour, and I just came back from working out. So let's get started. So this is our entry door, and then you move. This is the kitchen. That's the washing machine, and then this is our living area. Please ignore the mess. And then this is my flatmate's room. She's left. This is her washroom. Okay, you can see. Yeah. And this is my room. The coolest room in the house. I had the extra space. Guys, this is how my room looks right now. Everything's gone mostly. And my cupboard, bed, chair, and that study table is all for Lenko, so it's also going to go. And yeah. So hi guys, welcome back. So today the Falenko guys have to come, and guess who dished me? Falenko guys. And I'm so frustrated. I just worked out, and now let's go have a shower. So guys, you know what happened right now. So since I don't have any curtains right now because I removed them for packing, there is this guy who's looking inside my place, and I was clicking pictures, and I bought this from Savannah and one more dress. I will put the picture. And yeah, this is a big major update. So I told you guys I booked porter for my furniture that I'm sending to my friend's place. Bro, you know what? So they gave me the number to call that guy, and that he will be my delivery executive. And now when I called him, bro, uska wife or some girl picked up, and then she started shouting at me and said that कि ना don't call him, who are you, why are you calling him. मैंने कहा मेरा ऑर्डर मैंने प्लेस किया हुआ है, इसलिए आई एम कॉलिंग हिम टू रीचेक एंड वेरीफाई दैट यही बंदा है ना जो मेरा ऑर्डर लेने आएगा कल. तो कहता नहीं ये नहीं है, छोड़ दो इसे, किसने नंबर दिया तुम्हें. सो आई वाज लाइक फक. देन आई मेल्ड पोर्टर दैट दिस हैज़ हैपेंड, प्लीज check into it. Then last night I again get the call from that porter guy. Now again the wife picked up. I was like, why are you picking up and why are you calling me now that you have nothing, you don't want me to call you. So then she's like कि तुम इसे कॉल क्यों कर रही थी, तुम हो कौन. I was like हाँ. मैंने कहा मैं क्यों ऐसे कॉल करूँगी, मेरे को काम है इसलिए कॉल कर रही हूँ, इसका नंबर दिया है पोर्टर ने. So फिर क्या, फिर bro, I have the entire recording. I will just put it after this video. So guys, now listen to the audio. We've recorded it, and one of my friends talked to the guy because उसकी wife या उसकी जो girl थी वो करने नहीं दे रही थी उससे बात. Okay, so listen to this.
पर क्या गलत हो गया वो बता दो.
आप गलत कुछ भी नहीं हो, मगर आप कॉल मत करना प्लीज. कल नहीं पहुंचेंगे आपके वहाँ सामान पिक करने, आप किसी और को दे दो.
अरे नहीं भाई, हमें ऐप ने दिया है.
पर हमें तो ऐप ने असाइन किया है ना, फिर हम किसके पास जाएंगे.
नहीं मतलब नहीं, झगड़ा हो जाएगा. नहीं ये बोल रहा हूँ.
अरे यार पर लड़की होने ही नहीं वाली, मैं होने वाला हूँ वहाँ पे.
कैंसिल कराओ, मतलब कैंसिल कराओ, मतलब मेरे जितना.
हाँ हेलो
सर मैं आपको कर रहा ना, गुस्सा आ रहा है. नहीं मतलब नहीं,
आप कराओ और कल ही आने चाहिए, जो मर्जी हो जाए, वरना हम कंप्लेंट डालेंगे.
क्या बोल रहे हो.
हाँ कल ही होना चाहिए, जो भी हो आप असाइन करा दो, वरना हम कंप्लेंट डालेंगे.
हाँ ठीक है, कंप्लेंट करा देंगे. मैं कंप्लेंट करा दूंगी, बात कर ले. सिर्फ आदमी लोग से बात करती हो क्या तुम.
अरे मैं आदमी, खुद आदमी हूँ, मैं औरत थोड़ी हूँ.
तो आपकी जो भी सुनिए, आपका काम कल हो जाएगा, मैं ड्राइवर असाइन करा लूंगा. ठीक है
भाई ये क्या बदतमीजी है भाई.
कितने बजे आएंगे.
बदतमीजी नहीं है, उसको थोड़ा शक हो रहा है इसीलिए. तो वो फोन क्यों कर रही है सुबह 2 बजे उसने.
अरे कल हमें शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा ना, इसीलिए फोन करा था.
And now he's assigned some other porter guy, so he's coming right now, like right now. Okay, so guys, I'm going to give you honest Furlenco review. So when I ordered my stuff, basically my whole room, bed, study table, the chair, the cupboard, wardrobe, etc., washing machine, fridge, sofa, all of them I got it from Furlenco. Now, also I've realized Furlenco charges a little bit more than other rented furniture apps. So that's for another thing, but I'm just saying that when I ordered, I received. That was fine, like everything was fine till then. After that, we started facing issues with the fridge. The fridge wouldn't do its work, like it wouldn't. So then we changed it. Now changes, maybe they send too many technicians first to check if the issue is there. Then they said दोबारा डालो, फिर आएगा fridge. मतलब इतना बड़ा प्रोसेस था. अगर खराब हो गया सामान, okay, that is okay, like ठीक है, सही हो गया, then you're sorted. After that, the problem is when you have to terminate your subscription or your subscription is getting ended. अब पिकअप के टाइम दे गिव इतना प्रॉब्लम्स, लाइक ब्रो जस्ट पिक इट अप ना, तुम्हें ये सामान चाहिए फॉर अनदर पीपल, फॉर अनदर सेट ऑफ पीपल, तो पिकअप ही नहीं करने आ रहे हैं. लाइक कल दे हैड टू कम, दे डिडंट कम. टुडे दे हैव टू कम, I am calling them. So they gave me 2 delivery executives because the first one said I don't work in Furlenco. So long story short, do not opt for Furlenco if you have better apps, which we have better apps for all of this, and cheaper ones. So we have cheaper options for same furniture, and yeah. So let's see when will the Furlenco guys will come and take my furniture. Hi guys, I just showered. It was such a long day, such a sweaty day, and I did jhadu poocha of the entire house. Imagine first time. Okay, so empty house tour, seriously empty. So this is the this is our kitchen. This is where we've kept our AC remotes. This was our living area. This was my roommate's room. This was a washroom. Okay, that's it. This was my room. I'm taking all of this right now. And this was my washroom.